My first experience was walking into this world that I didn't know existed, which was basically a community of people who shared a love of an instrument that I thought was my love alone. In other words, I knew there were marimba players out there, but to find all these people, all this marimba noise happening all at once was extraordinary.
Our relationships with the people at ZMF, the way that the marimba brings people together in this really exciting, nurturing environment is unique. It wouldn't happen if Nancy wasn't thinking about each individual person and caring really deeply about them.
One of the most important things about ZMF is that it's a place for everybody to come together, irregardless of their style, irregardless of their teaching, how they've been taught to play. It doesn't really matter here. It's all about music here.
One of the great things about the festival is that I can watch the students start to have questions about who they are as a musician, and it bothers them in the best ways possible. It causes them to find answers about who they are, about why they play certain ways, and it's quite refreshing to see.
Here we have so many amazing people who do these lectures and master classes, and we learn so much, but then when you step out of this class, then it's just fun. Like, we can talk to each other, everybody's nice to each other. That's just a nice part of this whole thing.
I wouldn't change anything just to be here and now, listening to these wonderful musicians, come on, it was like 10 a.m., Emmanuel Sajourné, then Andrew Thomas, then this Jazz Ensemble. It was like, oh my God! It was so much to think about and to feel, and then in the night it was like, yeah, that's why I am here.
It's a really, really dynamic, expressive, exciting, fun, nurturing environment, and it's something that will definitely change your life. So, hope to see you here at ZMF in the future. Thanks a lot.